Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see any company's EPS on Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is an application that helps you get financial news and real-time data. It also helps you to look for companies' EPS, that is earning per share. To see any company's EPS on Yahoo Finance, first open your Yahoo Finance application on your mobile phone. Then here you'll be taken to home. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on search Yahoo Finance on the top. Then type in the company's name whose EPS you want to view. I'm going on with Apple. Then here you can see Apple's official company. Tap on the given company's name. Now here you can see Apple's graph related to its finance and stocks. Now scroll down. Then here you can see three options. Tap on financials. Then here you can see earning per share on the right side. So you can tap on earnings box and then here you can see earning per share of the company. You can tap on any point and look for actual and estimate EPS. This is how we can see any company's EPS on Yahoo Finance. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.